Good day, Safe Fleet partners, and welcome to edition 17 of Work Truck 360. Hey, my name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Vehicle here at Safe Fleet, and we're at the 2019 Work Truck Show held in Indianapolis, Indiana. And do we have a packed booth of product today that we're going to show you? We've got all of our products from the Prime Design family, from the FRC family and our Work Pro lighting, Deploy Pro, our double drop-down ergo racks, our access products, our splice conduit tubes. Everything today is available here for you to see. Great education on how to actuate the product, utilize the systems, and find out more about what makes Safe Fleet great. So let's take a look. Our first stop here in the Safe Fleet booth is the shelving from American Van, available in both steel as well as aluminum. This is a first for American Van to display at the Work Truck Show. And as you can see, it's got a suite of awesome products available in the portfolio of products available from American Van. Our next product spotlight here at the Work Truck Show is the fantastic offering from ROM, and it's called the Roughneck Running Board System. This system here has a 10-inch contact patch, filters out and pushes through all that debris that may build up on those workers' boots. It's also OSHA and ANSI approved. How about this? And it's really exciting. Our next stop here at the Safe Fleet booth is our camera and video products from RVS and Seon. New for 2019 is the 128 blind spot sensing system. This also provides the operator any kind of objects that might be coming either curbside or street side or from the rear of the vehicle and may present a problem. But if you're looking for your rear view camera with a forward-facing camera, you might want to get the mirror mount system. If you can't find the monitor, we have monitors that range from 4-inch all the way to 7-inch and beyond. Exciting products here at the Work Truck Show. Our last stop here in the booth at the Work Truck Show is with the Transit. The Transit has now featuring a clamp-on Prime Design access ladder. The beauty of this access ladder is, number one, it's 100% corrosion resistant and is manufactured from 100% 6061 T6 aluminum extrusions. It's a clamp-on design, which means there's no permanent deformation in the sheet stock of the rear door of this vehicle. It's also a transferable asset should you move this or have the need to move this from one vehicle to another. Thanks for making the stop here with us today at the 2019 Work Truck Show in Indianapolis. I hope you've enjoyed this small segment, but next time make sure you're here at the show to experience it all. Keep on pushing the product, take care of your customers, and thanks for the business.